Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm trying out these clip-ins that I got from Irresistible Me. I got them in the shade 1B Natural Black. I usually like to wear my hair like off black and brown, a mixture of both. So it's been a while since I did jet black. So hopefully these are going to be like a nice and natural off black brown type of shade. And here's how it came. Really nice packaging. I like that everything is like sealed up. There's a sticker that you have to take off even before unzipping it. And this was the Royal set, so I think this one was a little fuller. It might have been the fullest one. Super cute packaging, and what I really liked right away was that they had a sample for you so I could see instantly if I liked the color or not. And it was definitely the exact shade that I wanted. It had a little brown in it, but it still had the like dark natural black roots. Also, I could tell that it had some movement to the hair. These are not stiff at all. I love that there's so much volume. I've never had clip-ins that had a lot of volume like this. I'm definitely happy with the color though. I was going back and forth between natural black and just jet black, but I love how this natural black has a little brown mixed in with it. Okay, so I have my clip-ins installed now and they look so pretty. I love when I get new things and they look similar to like products I already love. I'm gonna unclip the back so you can see how I clip them in. Okay, I'm all done with installing my clip-in extensions. I'm going to use this clip just to clip some of my hair back. I'm going to use my 3-in-1 wand to add some curls, just really to the front. I like loose curls. I don't really like for my hair to be like super tight curls. So we're going to add a few curls to the front. The only thing I am going to add is this argan oil from Pattern Beauty. Already is doing a good job of holding your curl. I haven't added in any hairspray. I'm really more into these like looser waves curls. Sometimes I will do like the tighter curls, but that has to be like the look I'm going for. On an everyday, I like to just have like loose waves. I think this is the 1.5 inch. I can't remember, I've had it for so long, but it came with 3 different sizes. So cute. I love how full they are. I've tried so many different clip-ins and that's probably my #1 issue that I've had. I always find that they just are really fine and thin. These are nice and thick. They're pretty. So definitely really liking these clip-ins from Irresistible Me. I already have on my foundation, the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This foundation just does not budge. You can move around, you can sweat, all kind of things in this foundation and it still looks as good as when you first applied it. So I'm just in love with the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And then the Mcgrath that I have like around the very outer parts of my face, that one is really dewy, so I like that it brings a little bit more of that dewy look back to my face. Let's go into my favorite crease shade. As you can tell, this is soft brown. Next, I'm going in with a darker shade just to add a little contour to the outer part of my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and mix two pink shades together. I've kind of been more into pinks lately, like the softer pink shades. What I really love about this is that it has that pink, but it still has a golden undertone. So you guys can see it's pink and gold at the same time. And you guys already know these are super bright. So instead of just going right from the jar and straight to my eye, I like to add a little bit to my hand first. And then I just go for the very center of my eye and work my way up. This one is really pretty. This might be a new fave of mine. I'm going to mix my blush shade Eternal Sun with Blunt to give me more of like a golden brown peachy look. For my body, I'm still loving the Tiana Taylor highlighter. For my lips, I think I want to add a little bit of Myth gloss. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this full get ready with me. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know what else you guys would like to see. And I will see you in my next video.